footer, I'm actually here to show you my application I created. Basically what it is My Little Pony creator, maker, and what you can do is sign in, and well, what I wanted to do later on is for it to sign in and be able to create your own little My Little Pony and give them a description, a color, and later on I actually kind of want to continue working on this later on in the future, because it actually seems like a kind of a cool concept to create your own pony, kind of much like the South Park designs where they let you create your own South Park. So back to my application. Basically, the ID of the pony is the primary key, and the user ID is also something that's important. That will link you back to the actual user who created the ponies. You'll also get the name of the pony, the color of the pony you can set, their cutie mark, description of the pony, their hometown, and then of course when you created the pony and also when you update them. So that was my database, and as you can see here, this is the index. This is the main page for it. This is basically where everything gets run through. I put run through, and it's going to my SQL database, which was run on MAMP, and I made my database named BDF 1212 just because, you know, because it is. The root for both user and password. So basically this is gonna have my model and my pony view, which I'll get to in a few minutes. This is also going to be the header and the latest ponies that show up on the main page that I have, the 3 for examples, and the footer. And my pony model, basically this is where it stores all the application's information. As you can see, I made notes so I wouldn't forget. Stores all the properties of my tables, so here are the rules they must follow. So as you go down, you can see that I did the pony model. This is the pony model class, and inside that I have the construct function. And also I set so you can get the pony ID, get the pony by the ID. Let's see, and then of course the if statements and the try and catch, like in the video. And I made sure that it will return an array if not. And let's see here. Okay, so that's my pony model basically. This right here makes sure that if somebody doesn't enter the right ID or just nothing that makes any sense unless it's the ID, it will not go through. So that's to make sure it doesn't break. So this is the pony php.php that runs all that. And let's see here. And this is just basically helps to see the ID and the URL and such. This is basically what this page is for. And then this is the pony view, like in the beginning. And this has the header, the footer, the latest, and the detail that I have. The show detail function is for my pony.inc that I created, but I'll get to that in a minute. So of course this is the header with the HTML, you know, and the page titles that I can set, which is Pony Maker. And right here's the footer, very exciting. And this is the ponies list shown on the main page, so this will be shown as names with links on the page. I'll show you my example once I'm done. So this is the latest ponies. So these are the ponies that I'm showing on the main page. That's why it's called latest ponies, like latest albums he did in the video. And then this is the pony.inc, which has my H1, which is the first name of the pony, the color of the pony. As you can see, it's going from the row in my database, and the name of the row is color. The column is color. The cutie mark. If you look in my database, you can see name, color, cutie mark. So I'm echoing that in. Then I just set, you know, what they are to the to the left, you know, as the paragraph, so you can know what it is instead of it just showing up as like a random word and you're like, well, what does this mean? And then of course I did the back button so you can go back to the main page again with a list of the names. So what you've been waiting for is my simple, very simple, and it makes me go crazy page, because I wanted to do something crazy, but since this project was so amazingly hard for me because I've never done this before, I wanted to just keep it simple for now and get the job done and get it functioning. So it's the Pony Maker. Welcome to the Pony Maker. Check out some of our pre-made ponies. So as you can see, this is their ID. This is the unique ID for the pony made. And inside, you can see color pink, cutie mark, balloons, you know, basic stuff, Pony's Hometown Ponyville, everything that I set. And now what I am going to do, actually, as well, is I'm going to do this while you're on here with me. I want to show you that I also wanted to put the user ID of the user that did create this. So the best place I would think the user ID should go, possibly, is the top. So just above the name. So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna create another, I'm actually just going to make another H1 of it, whatever. And I'm going to insert this, just gonna copy it, make it easier on myself. And since it's the name of it is user underscore ID, go back here, user underscore ID, and maybe I'll just change the name to a paragraph because they're gonna probably be both the same size and that wouldn't look so great. So going to go back, going to Pinkify, and that says 124 is the username. Whew, that's quite big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and play with this just for a few more minutes after the video, and I'm going to make it look nice. I hate simple, small designs like this, but this is what was required. So yeah, here it is. This is the user ID, the name of the pony, the color, the cutie mark, Pony's Hometown, description created. Go back. And then another pony named Sandman. I was actually making this to be a pony that Adam Sandler created, and I put the username as Adam Sandler. And I thought it was quite funny because, well, actually I had something else in here earlier about shampoo and conditioner, but that is no longer in there for now. And of course, Twilight Sparkle. She's one of my favorites. So yeah, this is basically it. And then of course, when it updates, it will show the update below. So thank you so much for viewing, and I hope you enjoyed my application, and I hope you think it's a cool idea. Thank you, and have a good night.